Hey everyone, it's Housing Holly, giving you the 211 on fair housing. Today's Housing Holly topic is mortgage fraud schemes. Now, how can you be sure not to get caught up in a mortgage fraud scheme? Here are some mortgage fraud schemes you should look out for. Silent second. A silent second mortgage is a second mortgage placed on a home for down payment funds that are not disclosed to the original lender on the first mortgage. The second mortgage is called silent because the borrower does not disclose its existence to the original mortgage lender. To avoid this scheme, borrowers should consider reaching out to a HUD-certified housing counseling agency to seek down payment assistance programs that may be available to them. Government-funded down payment assistance programs can be a viable alternative for prospective homebuyers who have difficulty coming up with the money needed for a down payment. Nominee loans or straw buyers. Straw buyers conceal the identity of the borrower using a nominee who allows the borrower to use the nominee's name and credit history to apply for a loan. This scheme is commonly referred to as owner finance. To avoid this, consider having the third party as a co-signer on the loan, making the arrangement perfectly legal. Having a co-signed loan allows you to still use the nominee's good credit and financial standing, but it also places the responsibility on you. This can help to build your credit as well, assuming you make on-time payments during the life of the loan. Fictitious or stolen identity. A fictitious or stolen identity may be used on a loan application illegally. An applicant's name, personal identifying information, and/or credit history are used without the true person's knowledge. To avoid this from happening to you, consider activating a fraud alert on your credit through one of the major credit reporting bureaus to ensure that you are alerted to changes in your credit history and to prevent stolen identities from going forward. You may also sign up for identity theft protection through your bank or a valid third-party identity theft protection insurance company. Foreclosure schemes. When perpetrating a foreclosure scheme, someone identifies homeowners who are at risk of defaulting on loans or whose homes are already in foreclosure. The homeowners are misled into believing that they can save their homes in exchange for a transfer of the deed and upfront fees. Some of the most common schemes are identified as phantom help, bust out, and the bait and switch. You should never sign any documents that have not been reviewed by a housing professional. No reputable agency will ever charge you anything for foreclosure assistance. HUD does not allow anyone to charge for these services. So if you find yourself being asked to pay for foreclosure help, turn the other way immediately. You may seek out assistance from a local HUD-certified housing counseling agency to assist with foreclosure programs available in your area. Equity skimming. Equity skimming takes place when a homeowner gets themselves behind in payments. Skimmers seek out homeowners in financial detriment and offer to give them a large sum of money when the property is sold or take over payments. In exchange, the homeowner must move out immediately and hand over the title. Buyers should avoid this scheme by not rushing into any sale. Instead, treat each sale as if you were selling your home because you wanted to, and not because you have to. Homeowners who want to keep their homes can call their lenders directly for foreclosure assistance to avoid scams such as this. Fake government modification programs. Dishonest people may claim to be affiliated with or approved by the government or may ask you to pay high upfront fees to qualify for government mortgage modification programs. The scam artists may use such terms as federal, TARP, or other words or acronyms related to the official U.S. government program. If you are struggling to pay your mortgage, you should contact your lender directly and ask about options for modifying your loan or repayment schedules. You may also contact a HUD-certified housing counseling agency to find out what kinds of legal programs are available in your area. If you have been working with a lender that you believe has acted fraudulently or partook in one of the schemes that I just listed, please reach out to your local fair housing agency so they can investigate the claim and ensure that lenders are not acting illegally. For more information on predatory lending, visit our channel or www.fhrc.org. And thank you for watching. Housing Holly out.